Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Students, how are you? Students, we welcome all of you in our Tamam Education Hub. Dear students, today we are going to learn the subject of basic cost accounting, in which we have a topic materials, costing and accounting. Students, we have a problem 8.13, which is taken from the Professor Sale books. Students, let's start to read this problem carefully and try to solve this problem. Friend, this is a problem number 8.13, profit calculation, periodic inventory system in pricing the gallons of petrol sold. Service station A follows the first in first out method, while service station B follows last in first out method. On 1st Jan, both had a same quantity in stock, 6,000 gallons at rupees 26 per gallon. During the month, each station received additional supplies of 6,000 gallons at rupees 27.50 per gallon. Sales for each of these two stations during the month were 8,800 gallons at rupees 29 per gallon. Determine for each service station's profit earned during the month and value of the petrol in stock at closing of the month. Friends, you are seeing about this problem in front of you on your screen. Students, there are two substations which are selling petrols to people. Both service station A and B follows the FIFO method and LIFO method respectively. Students, our target is to find out both the substations profit with the help of the FIFO method and LIFO method, which are used by the substation A and substation B. Students, the opening stock is the same. The both substation here, substation A and substation B, opening stock is 6,000 and rate of rupees 26 per gallon. The amount is 1,56,000 here. Same as substation B, the opening stock is 6,000. The rate is 26 per gallon. The amounting to rupees is 1,56,000 rupees here. Student, during the month, both stations purchase the same quantity of petrol, like as 6,000 gallons at the rate of rupees 27.50 per gallon. The amounting to rupees is 1,65,000, and in B station the same value is given in front of you. Friends, both stations sell the same quantity, like as 8,800 gallons. The rate is 29 per gallon. Students, we have to find out the profit about both service station. For this purpose, we have to use the FIFO method in service station A to find out the closing inventory cost here. Student, you are looking here. $6,000 is opening stock as a gallons, and 6,000 as a purchase stock as a gallon. Student, 8,800 gallons has been sold. It means that the remaining gallons are here. 12,000 minus 8,800 gallons. The remaining gallons which are held in stock is 3,200 gallons. Students, as per FIFO method, the company used the first opening stock firstly. After that, the remaining gallons which are sold, the company has to take the purchase gallons here. It means that the closing stock gallons is 3,200. So the rate is applicable as at 27.50 rupees here, because in FIFO method, first in first out. First in first out meaning first purchase is outing the first. For this, we have the service station A have to sold the first opening stock. After that, the remaining balance has to take the purchase, and the remaining balance which are in the form of closing stock is 3,200 gallons. The rate is 27.50 rupees per gallon here. So we can easily find out the value of closing inventory by FIFO method. Students, there are 3,200 quantity is available in stock, closing stock. Then we have to apply the last rate, which is showing in front of you as a 27.50 here, because we are using the FIFO method. So we have to put here the rate is 27.50. Students, you are looking here. ₹88,000 is the stock value which are kept in as a closed stock by the service station A. Student, this is the value of closed inventory which is existed in the stock of company A. Now students, we have to find again the value of closed stock with the help of the LIFO method. For this purpose, we know that the meaning of LIFO method is last in first out. It means that the purchases is the last quantity which is going to selling first, and the remaining opening stock has been used for selling purpose. For this behave, you are knowing that we have to find out the again closing stock inventory here. Now we are using the rate of 26 per gallon, because in LIFO method, last in first out meaning we have to sell first our purchases gallons, and after that we have a opening stock here. So at the end of 3200 gallons, 32 gallons are remaining in closing stock. The rate can be used as a 26 per gallon here. Students, we now use the rate of opening stock gallon here, because at the end the closing stock is existed in the opening stock here. Now we again write the 3200 gallons here. The rate is 26 rupees here. Student, this is the amount 83,200 rupees is the closing stock value as a LIFO method, which is held by the company B. Now students, the value of purchase is find out here. There are 6,000 gallons. 6,000 gallons is purchase. The rate is 27.50 here. Student, this is the purchase amount which is purchased during the month, 1,65,000 rupees here. Now students, the value of opening stock is showing in front of you, but we have to write here in this column as a 6,000 gallons. 6,000 gallons. The rate is 26. The value is 1,56,000 rupees as a opening stock value here. Now students, we have to move the next page to find out the profit of company A and company B respectively, with the use of the LIFO method and the FIFO method and the LIFO method here. Students, now substitution A, FIFO method. Now we record the sales. Firstly, there are 88 gallons has been sold by both the company. Here the rate is 29 per gallon. The value is 25 lakh 255,200 rupees here. Now we have to find here again the same value. Students, you are looking here. This is our sales. Both are service stations like as A and B here. Now we find out the cost of goods sold here. We have less here in sale as a less cost of goods sold. The opening inventory as on December 1st, 2011 is here 1,50,000 rupees. 1,50,000 rupees here. 1,56,000 rupees here. Same as we have to write here 1,56,000 rupees here. Student, our purchases is 1,65,000 rupees. 1,65,000 rupees here. Same as here 1,65,000 rupees here. Students, cost of goods available for sale, we have to add up both the values here. The opening stock and the purchase, same as here. closing inventory as on December 31st, 2011. By the FIFO method, the closing inventory amount is 88,000 rupees. 88,000 rupees. We have to put here 88,000 rupees here. Same as in LIFO method, the amount is of the closing stock is 83,200 rupees here. 83,200 rupees here. Friends, now with less both the values in last here. Same as here. Friends, this is the cost of goods sold. This is the cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Now we deduct the sales from the cost of goods sold. Then we have to find out the gross profit here. Gross profit here. Same as here. Student, you are looking both the profits in gross profit is different values because what is the reason about both the values are different? Because the company A uses the FIFO method and the company B using the FIFO method. Now you are comparing here. When company A uses the FIFO method, the company has to solve firstly opening stock. The value of opening stock is 1,56,000 rupees here. The remaining stock is sold by the company. Here the purchase gallons here. The cost value of company A is lesser than the cost value of company B because the company sold that stock which has the low cost price per unit per gallon, but in company B, the company B has the sold more gallons with the rate of 27.50 rupees per gallon. For this, the company B's cost increase as compared to the company A. For this reason, the profit of the both companies are different here. You are comparing here again the closing stock here 88,000 rupees and the closing stock of B is 83,000 rupees, but the company A cost of goods sold is lesser than the company B. You are comparing here 2,33,000 rupees is the cost of goods sold by the company A, and the 2,37,800 rupees the cost is the cost of goods sold amount is the company B. You are also see here, this is the difference. The cost value of company A is lesser than the cost value of company B. The analysis is that when the cost is lesser than the cost is lesser, the profit will be increased. The cost is higher, the profit will be decreased. You are looking here, company A earned as a gross profit 22,200 rupees, and the company B earned the gross profit as a 70,400 rupees here. The difference between here, we can check here for analysis purpose. Friends, this is the 48 rupees that we differ. Now we can check the cost of goods sold both the companies here. they are the same value. This is the differ between the company A and company B, because the company A has a low value of cost of goods sold and the company B is the high value of the cost of goods sold. So this is the main difference between both the company method, both the company using method as a LIFO method and a FIFO method. Students, I think you understand about this problem clearly. Students, if you have any doubts, problems, queries, please contact me on my channel box so I can try my best to know your problem. Students, I think you understand about these problems clearly. Students, it is requested before all of you, because all of you, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share it to other friends. Students, thanks. Allah Hafiz.